Hello and welcome to Getfluence. My name is Anna, and I'll be guiding you through managing new missions on our marketplace. First, log into your account. Your missions to be processed will automatically appear on your dashboard, but you can click on the missions page to find them all. Here, you'll see 3 tabs: New Proposals, In Progress and Completed. A new task will be marked as action required because you have the option to accept, decline, or negotiate the proposal. If you want to know the reason why a task is in a specific status, simply hover your mouse over it. Click on the mission and review the brief. By accepting it, you'll move on to the next step, which involves creating the content. Depending on your offer, either you or the advertiser will write the content before it gets published. And that's it. Now you know everything about managing new missions. See you soon on Getfluence.